Top 5 Smart Pool Cleaning Robots for Summer 2025. Tired of scrubbing your pool manually? It's 2025. Let smart technology do the hard work. These 5 robotic pool cleaners are changing the way we clean and maintain pools. Let's dive in. Number 5. Lidsto Wireless Pool Cleaner with Water Sensor Tech. Starting off with the Lidsto Wireless Pool Cleaner. With smart water sensor activation, dual drive motors, and a rechargeable battery, it's perfect for flat-bottom pools up to 35 feet. Simple, modern, and easy to use. Just drop it in and let it do the work. Number 4. Labubu-inspired cordless pool vacuum. This upgraded cordless vacuum delivers 18.5 GPM suction power and up to 60 minutes of runtime. Inspired by Labubu design, it's compact, portable, and powerful enough for any home pool. Cordless cleaning made fast and efficient. Number 3. Solar Pool Skimmer Robot. Goes green. Literally, the solar-powered pool skimmer robot floats across the surface, collecting leaves, bugs, and debris, using dual motors that handle both sunlight and USB charging. Eco-friendly and perfect for daily surface cleaning. At number 2, the Seiato SAT10 offers up to 180 minutes of cleaning time. With its advanced filtration system and easy grip top handle, it's a reliable tool for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Long-lasting power for hassle-free cleaning. And number 1, the powerhouse, the Sado SA20. With intelligent navigation, multi-surface cleaning, floors, walls, slopes, and cordless convenience, this robot takes pool maintenance to a whole new level. The ultimate smart pool cleaner for deep, comprehensive cleaning. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay cool, and see you in the next video right here on Products with AI.